So we passed the entrance. So we're gonna park somewhere. Belle is sleeping and Bree's not. Yeah. So we're gonna park right here. So there's a lot more parking. And over there too. Park over there or here. Why?
I don't know. Yeah, come on.
Hey, Bo. I know she's asleep. Okay. I'm Uncle Bill.
Come back on.
Oh no, milk. Hey. Hey. Tim, can you hold my camera? And there's some cars that are coming too. This the field, and I think they're still setting up. Some of the markets are like set up already. I'll tell you that when we will get in the thing. We're about to get ready for the stroller and for and her milk too. Hey, Bree, where's Belle's umbrella?
Inside.
Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, Belle has it. Oh, right here. And I'll tell you when we get there. There's lots of cars coming. Yeah. We will get there a while. So we're here, and that's a nice car. And some of the markets are setting up, but I think they're all done setting up. Yep, still the same thing, like on Saturday. So today is Sunday. Yeah, I think it's 8 something or 9 something a.m.
But then I wake up every morning, I have to go and fill rice to farm.
So my phone, yeah, it feels happy and new, and it's a new year here. And Belle's still sleeping. Everything's set up. And there are some toy here. Toy.
từ hồng xe cô chuyện gà chuyện nhà có mua lừa từ
Everything is still the same as always. Who's that for? It's I think it's $180. Yeah, it's $180. Yeah, there's some more markets that we're gonna to search. So hang in there. We're about to go. Here in Oroville with my family. Here's my little brother. And we're about to go inside there. And we're just waiting. Okay, let's go. We're inside and they got everything set up for the day. And these are the people who came. And even us too. I know, it's so shiny that we can't see. Yeah, those are the New Year clothes for girls and women. So we're gonna check every shop to see if there's anything else. So it's gonna take a while. Music, clothes. I think there's some toys that you guys could enjoy. You guys should come here and buy them. Unless there's any cool things about it. See, there's clothing of girls and women here. Well, you want one? And those are girls and boys and women and man clothes over there. Two, how you feeling getting here?
I feel a little tired.
Yeah.
So pretty much feel tired.
Yeah. So we woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, so we're so tired. But I'm not that tired anymore. I slept in the car. So there's a studio where we take pictures. And there's some nice stuff about all these markets. There's lots of people going to Hmong New Year. The Cal Expo Fair has a lot of people going there too. getting one of those clothes? Bree,
Bella, you want to get bubble?
how you feeling about getting one?
What? I'll be there. Huh? I'll be there.
Over there? You want that one?
Hi, guys.
Wait, Bree, look at that one. Look at that one. She's like the same height. You guys are the same height. Try again. Look at the other clothes for the younger. Man, there's a lot of market. And lots of people too. Bella,
Get out.
you wanna get out? That's mommy.
Yeah, what's this? Oh, baby, what are you doing?
She wants to get out.
Wow.
So, you know, my little sister, my 2-year-old sister is very smart. What my umbrella? Don't touch it, okay? Look, baby's over there. Baby's over there. Baby clothes over there. See? Don't come? Look. Baby clothes. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember, ear, don't touch it. Bunga. Dad,
Yeah,
how do you feel coming here?
I feel like a new year. What do you mean? It's a new year, right?
yeah.
We're here to enjoy ourselves.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a nice day.
Yeah.
Not too cold, not too hot yet, so.
And so my mom's trying like a dress. I think this kind of dress right here. Or the other ones. Yeah, it's like this one. This one. So she likes the red one and that purple one over there. Yeah, there's a lot of people coming here with New Year clothes. Cause like a New Year. Celebrating. Bree, next year do you want to wear New Year clothes?
Yeah.
Last year we wear one, but me and Tim haven't worn it. Only you and Mom.
Okay, please. Cái này nó sâu cọc thì nó chỉ nó rõ à.
Looking the emperor still, Lauren, yeah.
Bella.
So my mom's trying to try to fit into this thing. Yeah, all the clothes. There's some boys too.